In today's fast-paced market, businesses need to utilize every tool available to connect with their audience and drive sales. SMS marketing is emerging as a powerful channel due to its high open rates, immediate delivery, and personalized approach, offering businesses a unique way to engage customers. SMS marketing sees significantly higher open and response rates compared to email, ensuring that messages are more likely to be seen and acted upon. This direct communication bypasses cluttered inboxes, delivering time-sensitive information effectively to the customer's most personal device, their mobile phone. Businesses can tailor SMS messages to individual preferences and behaviors, which helps in fostering stronger customer relationships. By sending targeted promotions, exclusive deals, and time-sensitive offers, businesses can drive revenue directly through customers' phones. SMS marketing also enhances customer service by providing real-time support and sending automated notifications, improving the overall customer experience. This direct engagement helps in building brand loyalty and creates a sense of community among customers. Strategic links within SMS messages can drive traffic to online platforms, increasing visibility and generating leads. SMS marketing is a cost-effective solution, offering high ROI through affordable campaigns and increased conversion rates. Key statistics highlight SMS marketing's power. With 98% of texts opened and 95% read within 3 minutes, SMS ensures that messages cut through the noise and are seen almost immediately. The 45% response rate is also significantly higher than email's 6%, facilitating better interaction. Consumer preferences show a strong favor towards SMS, with 75% of consumers comfortable receiving messages from brands and 48% preferring updates via text. This channel meets consumer demand for immediacy and convenience, allowing businesses to connect with their audience in real time. SMS marketing's strengths lie in its ability to deliver direct, immediate, and personalized communication with customers. Its unparalleled open and engagement rates ensure messages are seen and encourage active participation, making it a formidable tool for driving engagement. Instant delivery of SMS messages is crucial for time-sensitive promotions and urgent updates. Unlike emails, SMS messages land directly on the customer's phone, ensuring high visibility and encouraging immediate action. By segmenting audiences and personalizing messages, businesses can enhance customer experience and foster loyalty. Offering exclusive deals and personalized greetings via SMS creates a sense of exclusivity and strengthens customer relationships. SMS marketing is a cost-effective solution with a high return on investment, allowing businesses to run affordable campaigns while achieving measurable results. Its affordability makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes, contributing to increased sales and customer loyalty. SMS marketing is versatile, benefiting businesses across industries by driving sales, improving customer service, and building brand loyalty. Targeted promotions and urgent offers via SMS can generate immediate revenue and prompt customer engagement. SMS enhances customer service by enabling instant support and sending automated notifications. This approach demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction and builds trust, fostering long-term customer relationships. Continuous engagement through SMS keeps brands top of mind. Interactive campaigns, like polls and quizzes, encourage active participation and create a sense of community, strengthening customer relationships and brand loyalty. Including strategic links in SMS messages can effectively increase website traffic, enhancing online visibility. Tailored campaigns that align SMS with website content ensure cohesive customer journeys, maximizing engagement and conversions. To learn more about SMS marketing, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com